numbers 1、2、3、4、5 Hello everyone! こんにちは皆さん I'm Marina. Today's topic is how to count 数える1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10 In Japanese, 4 can be 4 and 4 7 also can be 7 and 7 Can you say all of them correctly? First, 1つ Second, 2つ Third, 3つ Fourth, 4つ Fifth, 5つ Sixth, 6つ Seventh, 7つ Eighth, 8つ Ninth, 9つ Tenth, とすみませんはい、ご注文ですかラーメン3つください How many noodles can you eat? Please write your message here Counting people 1人2人3人4人5人6人7人8人9人10人 The basic rule is after number you should add 人 人 means people in this case For example 3 3人6 6人9 9人 But the exceptions are 1人 and 2人 These are exceptions. Now you can count people in Japanese. Counting objects 1個2個3個4個5個6個7個8個9個10個 The basic rule is after number you should put 個 For example 3 3個 But there are 3 exceptions That is 1 1 6 6 and 10 10 We don't say 1個 We say 1個 We don't say 6個 We say 6個 We don't say 10個 We say 10個 How many hiragana can you write? I can write 46私は46個書けます How about you? Can you count from 100 to 900? Let's count them together 100 200 300 400 500 600 700 800 900 Did you notice the different sound? Please be careful about 300, 600 and 800. Let's count from 1000 to 9000. 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000, 5000, 6000, 7000, 8000, 9000. Please be careful about 3000 and 8000. How many friends do you have? さよなら